In today's module, let's see how the rise of globalization happened. There are three waves, which are also called perspectives of globalization, as I earlier mentioned. Perspectives of globalization theory, what it is all about. Three basic ingredients: globalists, Saptics, and transformationalists are post-Saptics. Globalization theory in the 1980s mainly revolved around the three main types of globalization: globalization of economy, globalization of politics, and globalization of culture. Some other general debates like usefulness of territorial boundaries, role of state, influence of culture, etc. were also going on there. The three waves of globalization theory do not exist in isolation because some authors simultaneously fit into different perspectives. Hence, no clear boundaries can be drawn easily. Hurst and Thompson, in 1996, there is a reference of this book, and Held is also a name of the author, categorized as the supporters of the second and third waves of globalization. Despite the fact that Hurst and Thompson are mainly representative of the second wave of the globalization. The perspectives of second and third waves dominate theoretically and empirically. Their authors also endeavor to address and debate on each other's findings. The authors of second and third wave of globalization share that the camp against the first wave. They claim that first wave exaggerates the existing version of globalization. Moreover, they argue that first wave authors do not provide empirical evidence and present a very generic and abstract concept regarding globalization. Moreover, they argue that globalization is going beyond the concrete reality now. It's spreading so fast. However, second and third wave theorists have differences on certain point too. For them, Saptics are outright while globalists are radical in nature. Third waves claim themselves to be the custodians of globalization theory. In this whole slide, if you could see all the three ingredients of this globalization theory, that how the rise of globalization happened, if you see that globalists, Saptics, and transformationalists are post-Saptics, globalization would they consider it as causal, and Saptics see it globalization is a discourse, and post-Saptics believe that global transformations exist but with differentiation. Then there is economy. Globalists believe that globally interconnected economy, free trade, and then Saptics believe there is a state intervention and protectionism. Protectionism means when you believe in protecting the local industry and preferring the indigenously manufactured goods upon the foreign goods or imported things, articles. Transformationalists are post-Saptics. Globally transformed new stratification. As far as politics, globalization of politics is concerned, globalists believe that global governance should be there. Saptics have nation states, regional blocks, and post-Saptics are transformationalists believe nation states are important, but reconstructed sovereignty is reconstructed and shared. And then in culture and history, you see that how it's all happening. So this is how rise of globalization happened.